Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Ying.
Hello guys, this is Steven. Nice to meet you.
Hi Steven. Actually in 2021 we installed 6,000 sets of energy storage system in Europe. And now based on what we have learned from our customers' feedback, we are offering our customer a turnkey solution. That's this all-in-one system. It's with this hybrid inverter and also LFP, expandable LFP battery modules.
Oh, that's great. I believe our customer will be very excited to know more about these products. So, which inverter we are using?
Well, the year is adapted in this sample. However, our battery modules are compatible with more than 16 inverter brands, which makes it more flexible.
Oh, so I have a question.
Yes?
What's the maximum capacity of the battery and what is the power of inverter?
We are offering two different solutions, one-phase system and a three-phase system. For three-phase system, we have this one as example. For 8 kilowatt inverter, we suggest to go with 2 or 3 pieces of battery. And for 12 kilowatt, you can go with 3 or 4 pieces of battery modules. It is very flexible. And to be flexible is our main concern when we design this all-in-one system.
Oh, that sounds great. So it will meet all kind of different needs for the customer. And also, how big is the cabinet? Can we use outside? And also, please tell me if offer video installation.
Well, the dimension is 190 centimeters in height, and in depth, it's 45 centimeters. And in width, it's 72 centimeters. It's really easy to install, and you barely need any tools. And it's IP20, so we suggest you to use it indoors. And for the guide video, it's coming soon.
Okay, how about warranty about inverter and battery?
Well, the warranty of the inverter is 5 years, and for the battery, the warranty is 10 years. So please refer to the user manual to check the related policy.
Is it available in our European American warehouses?
The individual inverters and the batteries are currently in stock in our warehouse, and the whole system will be available in May.
Great. Let's have a look in our video installation.
Please scan the code and subscribe our channel. See you soon.
See you.